Oh, hey, good morning. Coming to you on Saturday. I think this is the 28th of February. No, actually, the 29th. It's a leap year. So I am doing my editing for Mercedes-Benz, classic Mercedes-Benz with Pierre Hodari to get an upload for this morning. And just wanted to look and get a little bit more comfortable with being on camera. So, you know, sometimes we heard our voices for the first time on an audio recording and go like, wow, do I sound like that? Yes, we do. And for me, and maybe some of you too, it didn't sound all that good. So today I'm starting to look at my images on video and going like, damn. But anyway, I'm trying to get a little bit more comfortable and ride it out and show it and continue to vlog each and every day, upload to my YouTube channel, which I hope that you will watch, subscribe, and share with others if you so desire. And again, this is for the future. It is for my offsprings. They want to know a little bit more about me. To have it right here on YouTube to enjoy, watch, hear who Thomas Daryl Polk is. See you in the next one. Bye. Now back to work. Okay, so I needed to go to. You guys still there? Peace.